Unmasking the truth, understanding plastic pollution and its effects. In the world we live in today, an invisible enemy lurks. This enemy is plastic pollution. We look around our homes, offices, and streets without realizing the magnitude of this problem. Synthetic material, in its various forms, is a part of our daily lives. However, where does all this plastic go once we discard it? The answer is simple yet alarming: it pollutes our environment. Plastic pollution occurs when plastic is gathered in an area, drastically affecting the natural environment and creating problems for wildlife and our ecosystems. Plastic pollution is a multifaceted issue, starting from its creation. Made from fossil fuels, plastics contribute to climate change even from their inception. The durability of plastic, its biggest strength, is ironically its greatest weakness too. It takes hundreds of years for plastic to decompose, leading to its accumulation in our environment. The most visible form of plastic pollution is the litter we see around us. From plastic bags to beverage bottles, we are surrounded by this synthetic menace. However, there's more to plastic pollution than meets the eye. Invisible microplastics, tiny particles less than 5 millimeters in size, pervade our environment. Plastics aren't just an eyesore, they pose serious risks to humans and wildlife alike. Animals often mistake plastics for food, leading to fatal complications. Ingested plastics can cause suffocation, starvation, or drowning in aquatic creatures. But what about humans? We aren't immune to the devastating effects of plastic pollution either. Plastic particles in our food and water can lead to severe health problems. Research suggests that microplastics can cause hormonal imbalances, fertility problems, and can even increase the risk of cancer in humans. Plastic pollution also exacerbates climate change. When plastics degrade, they release potent greenhouse gases, further heating our already warming planet. It's bleak, it's terrifying, but it's not the end. We can still reverse the damage if we act now. Solutions to plastic pollution are within our reach. Reducing our plastic consumption is the first step. Limit your use of disposable plastic items. Opt for reusable products whenever possible. Recycling is another weapon in our arsenal. Not all plastics can be recycled, but those that can should be, to limit their environmental impact. Composting biodegradable waste is an effective way to reduce plastic pollution. It reduces the need for plastic bags and promotes healthier soils. Innovation is key in our fight against plastic pollution. Bioplastics, made from renewable sources, offer a potentially sustainable alternative to conventional plastics. Laws and regulations can have a substantial impact. By lobbying for stricter laws on plastic use and disposal, we can bring about systemic changes. Education is fundamental to this cause. By understanding the devastating effects of plastic pollution, we can make more informed choices. Plastic pollution is not an insurmountable problem. With determination and collective action, we can conquer this invisible enemy. It's time to rethink our relationship with plastic. It's time to stop the tide of plastic pollution from overwhelming our planet. Let's fight this fight together, for us, for the animals, and for our beautiful planet. After all, there is no planet B. Remember, every action counts. Start small, think big, and together we can make a world of difference. Act now, because tomorrow may be too late.